Hello children, let us start our today's learning with this poem, The Silent Snake. The poet of this poem, The Silent Snake, is Anonymous. Do you know the meaning of anonymous? Anonymous is a person who doesn't reveal his identity, someone who is unidentified or unnamed. So we cannot speak much about the poet of this poem, The Silent Snake, as he is anonymous. Okay. In this poem, the poet describes a snake's behavior in comparison of other animals. Now, let us discuss this poem stanza-wise. The first stanza says, "The birds go fluttering in the air, the rabbits run and skip, brown squirrels race along the bough, the mayflies rise and dip, but while these creatures play and leap, the silent snake goes creepy creep." So in the first stanza, the poet says that birds fly in the sky by flapping up and down, by flapping their wings up and down. The rabbits run and skip. Squirrels, they scamper up and down the branches of trees. And the mayflies fly up and down. But the snake slithers quietly. Now the second stanza says, "The birdies sing and whistle loud, the busy insects hum, the squirrels chat, the frogs say croak, but the snake is always dumb. With not a sound through grasses deep, the silent snake goes creepy creep." Now in the second stanza, the poet says that birds make noise by singing and chirping. The insects hum and buzz. Squirrels, they chat, and frogs, they croak. But the snake never makes a noise, and it moves through the thick and tall grasses silently. So, this poem is all about the creatures who enjoy singing, playing, and jumping around, but only the snake remains calm without making any sound.